Welcome to my Paris vlog adventure. In this video, I'll take you through my 4-day itinerary covering all major attractions, including the best places to take pictures, delicious food to try, and vegan places to explore. Day 1. Arrive at the airport and check in at the hotel for freshen up. We start at the most iconic landmark in Paris, the Eiffel Tower. We used Viator to book our guided tour. Tour guide shared lot of history and took us to second level with cut the line option. You will have to add on if you want to go to the summit, and it's highly recommended. We take the elevator to the top to enjoy the breathtaking view of the city. You'll have plenty of opportunities to take pictures and capture the perfect shot. Afterward, we walk to the Champs-Élysées, where we grab a delicious vegan croissant and coffee from Le Pain Quotidien. We then continue our journey to the Arc de Triomphe, another famous landmark where you can take some fantastic photos. For lunch, we'll head to Hank Vegan Pizza, which offers delicious plant-based pizzas. After lunch, we'll visit the Notre-Dame Cathedral, a stunning Gothic cathedral where you can take beautiful photos. Then, we'll end the day with a relaxing stroll along the Seine River and enjoy the stunning views of Paris. Day 2. On day 2, we'll explore the famous Louvre Museum, home to the famous Mona Lisa painting. We recommend buying your tickets in advance to avoid the queues. We booked a guide via Viator who helped us avoid big lines. The Louvre Museum in Paris is a treasure trove of art, history, and culture, boasting over 35,000 works of art and welcoming over 10 million visitors annually. And took us inside the museum to second gate near Arc de Triomphe replica. Our guide was very knowledgeable and went through all major artifacts of Louvre. Inside the museum, you can take beautiful pictures of the art and sculptures. Afterward, we'll visit the Tuileries Garden, where you can enjoy a beautiful picnic with a view of the Eiffel Tower. For dinner, we'll head to Le Potager du Marais, which offers an excellent vegan menu. The restaurant has a cozy atmosphere and is perfect for a relaxing dinner. Day 3. On day 3, we'll start our day with a visit to the Palace of Versailles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you can take stunning photos of the palace's magnificent architecture and gardens. Afterward, we'll head to Angelina's, where we'll indulge in their famous hot chocolate and pastries. The cafe has a beautiful interior, and you can take lovely photos while enjoying your meal. For lunch, we'll visit Le Grenier de Notre-Dame, a vegetarian and vegan restaurant near the Notre-Dame Cathedral. The restaurant offers a variety of French-inspired dishes, including vegan cheese and pâté. Day 4. On our final day, we'll visit the Montmartre neighborhood, where you can take some of the best pictures of Paris from the top of the hill. We'll also visit the Basilica of the Sacred Heart, a stunning church with breathtaking views of the city. For lunch, we'll head to Le Pain Quotidien, which offers a range of vegan options, including salads, sandwiches, and pastries. We'll end our trip by taking a relaxing dinner boat ride on the Seine River, where you can capture some of the best pictures of Paris from a unique perspective. The dinner cruise was awesome and Viator helped us book a nice cruise. Conclusion. That's it for my Paris vlog adventure. We hope you enjoyed watching and got some inspiration for your next trip to Paris. Remember to explore the vegan options, take plenty of pictures, and enjoy the city's rich culture and history. Thank you for watching. Your subscriptions means a lot to me, so please subscribe to my channel.